something nice. Because you have something really nice. Let me just do window shopping. Hello.
Hello. Welcome to the Divas collection.
Like we have nice things here.
Yeah, of course, I do.
You have my size. Can you have my size?
I will plate it. I have your size.
Okay.
Plenty. Come inside. Come and see.
I have Wow. You have nice things here.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
That's here. I have many. So, what exactly do you want?
I need a dress. Something I can wear, as in something nice I can even go for a party.
Party. Ah, why not? I have it. What about something like this?
Really looking nice.
Yeah. It's fine. It's jeans and all, you know.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Can I try it?
Yeah, of course. You can try it. Wow, you are looking sweet. Ah, so as the clothes fit you. So fine, very beautiful. Wow.
Thank you.
It's fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you have more?
Yeah, of course, I have more.
Can I see?
Yeah, why not? I have more. Wow. You're looking, since this one fits you, it's just like other one. It's very, very fine. I like your body. You like it. You have a nice body.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
Anything you put fits. Wow, nice one.
Thank you.
You're looking good.
Thank you.
Nice one. So, you want to check the other one too?
Yeah, I'd like to see it.
The other one,
yeah.
Okay. Let me get it. Wow, you're looking sweet. You look so take away. Wow, this clothes fit. Wow, like as if you're going for a Valentine dinner. Wow, you look good. Ah, this is sweet. Wow, you look good.
You.
Wow. I have other beautiful ones though. I have other ones too. You still want to see more?
Yes.
You want to see more?
Yes.
Okay. Let me get more. Ah, this one is looking good. Ah, this is perfect. Wow. Wow, even this one self is looking good. You look so sweet. Wow.
Thank you.
Nice one.
Thank you.
Wow. You look good. Okay. So you still want to see the other one? The remaining one? You see, I should show you.
Yeah. Let me see the last one.
Alright. Auntie, wait. Are you going?
Photo.
Yeah, I have to go now.
Why now? You don't buy anyone?
I didn't actually see the one.
Hey! After testing all these things.
I told you that I actually didn't say exactly what I want.
You should be saying this and you test one, test two. No, you know now, auntie. This is New Year. This is January now.
I didn't see anyone I
No,
like.
not be so now. How?
Don't insult me.
Can't somebody do window shopping anymore?
Yay! Miss Window Shopper. Ha! Now you they send come.
Don't worry, just
this
give me.
January. Now my shop they send me.
Just
Miss Window Shopper. You window shopper. You test it first. I test it 3, 4, 5. Almost all my clothes.
I didn't say exactly what I want, madam.
No,
I didn't say exactly what I want.
It's not possible. No.
I didn't say exactly what I want. You cannot force me to buy what I want to buy.
You have to buy.
Sorry, what's going on? What's going on?
My sister, see me, I did my own JJ this morning. Now this lady, Miss Window Shopper, and now walk inside my shop. She said she want to buy gun for dinner for party. Now she begin to test all my clothes. Now she don't want to buy anything again. Ha! No, I don't agree.
What's up now?
I don't agree.
What
I
happened?
actually came here to test you, as in to check out the clothes I want to wear for my party.
Imagine,
Okay.
Miss window shopper. This
I checked for the clothes
She
I
won
want.
contest.
I checked for the clothes. I tested.
And she was even
but I
snapping
didn't
herself.
see the actually one I want. And she's wanting me to buy what I don't want to buy. She's like, she's forcing me.
But you tested a whole lot this morning.
No, I did not test a whole lot. So no, I didn't test a whole lot. I did not test a whole lot.
No.
So now she's trying to force me to buy clothes.
No. You have to buy it.
It's not like she's forcing you.
hey,
Oh, babe,
I
calm
didn't
down.
actually see the one I want to buy.
No,
Just calm down. Calm down now.
This one I knew.
Now she's forcing me to get clothes.
I'm not forcing you. She be a day my own.
Ones I must buy.
She be a day my own.
Why can't someone do window shopping anymore?
Window shopping. That's how they do window shopping. My sister, she tests the first one, tests the second one, tests fifth.
I didn't see the one I want.
It's okay.
5 years of madness.
My dear,
I'm
I'm not saying doing window shopping or whatever is bad,
Hey.
but it's
Not
somehow.
one person not go see.
Even if this shop is yours, I mean, you can
see what
just allow somebody come
I
and
didn't
test your
see the
clothes.
one I like.
No, you just have
She
to
forcing me to
buy.
buy.
You just have to buy, even if
You
it's
have to
one.
I don't do window shopping anymore.
No, you can't come to somebody's shop in the morning. Do one window shopping.
Testing clothes. Is that how they do
window
window shopping?
shopping. It's not good.
I was actually
one, where the second one, where the third one, where the fifth one. Almost all my
Since I
clothes.
didn't see the one I want to
She
buy.
found all my clothes finished. Now you want to walk out from us say window shopping.
No.
It's window shopper.
See, babe,
Also, you have to buy.
it's not like anyone is
You have to
forcing
buy.
you.
I
You
didn't
have to
actually
buy.
see the one I want to buy.
Which one be saying you don't see
Free
anyone?
girl now.
You didn't even run. You even test it. You test the first one, test the second one, test the third one, test the fifth one of them.
See, let me tell you, wait,
Think say they wise.
calm down. See, let me tell you something. If I were to be you, just to avoid this problem, even if it's just one, just pick something.
You just come inside, come to
early morning.
enter person
You are the
shop.
first. I guess she's the first
this
customer
year.
you're having.
Imagine.
It's somehow.
You want to do
It's
window shopping.
nobody's forcing you. At least come and buy one thing.
That's
Okay?
how they take do window
Eh?
shopping.
If it were to be your shop, you won't be happy now.
Okay, let me take one. How much?
10,000. 10.
No, 10,000 for what? 10,000.
Yes, 10,000. Yes.
10,000 for what?
Oh, yes, now 10,000.
We must learn it.
8,000. I'll get it for 8,000.
Which one be 8,000?
8,000.
I beg, give me
8,000.
anyhow. Just bring it. Anyhow, bring it. Give me Jare. This
It's okay
we
now.
not go agree for anybody. Like we not go agree. I thought I am bad. I go contest. Where my POS? I beg no face. So you know say. Lagos within a bad market, you know, I say everything. I know that.
Yeah, you treat your customers.
I know, I beg no face. You know, say now, and January now, and 2024 New Year, and in the morning.
This 2024 will not go free for anybody. It's finished.